Hey there, thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to try to talk a little bit less and have you come on an adventure with me and my family. We rode ATVs through the trails in a mountain. I love getting to drive an ATV through a trail. Hearing the hum of the engine and feeling the sunshine and breeze on my face really helps life worries just sort of melt away. Eventually, we came up on a stream and got out and explored. I enjoyed feeling the cool mountain stream for a bit. And then I scrambled up and over a hill to see a gorgeous little waterfall. After marveling at the waterfall, we hopped back on the ATVs and headed back. As we rode back, Heather and I thought and talked about how peaceful the whole experience was. I had just got back into the cabin when Heather said she saw a baby black bear from where she was on the back porch. So I went out there, took in the amazing views, and then got to work trying to see the bear. It was a tiny little thing and absolutely adorable. The baby bear hung around for a long time completely unbothered by us. So we quietly sat on the porch and watched a black bear forage as the sun went down. It was an incredible experience to get to see an animal like that up close and in the wild. I hope to see you out there. Bye.